At first, the plan here was to reuse the original gate, so that's what we're measuring for. I'll put a quick mark on my line so that I can measure for how much fencing I need to leave so that my gate can fit in the opening. Once I know that, I will cut my fence to size and then move it to place. Before installing, I'll use my square to mark how far back it needs to go and then also how high. I'll preset my screw and then attach the top piece first, then the bottom, as I've been doing. Check for plumb in the end. If it's good, if it's not, I'll trim it. Make sure I get the last little bit off. Okay, we're good. But then the problem. That pipe. All the pool lines were coming right through there, so forget that placement. We're gonna have to change plans and move the post over by about a foot. So we'll do that on the next video. We'll go ahead and install this guy. The important thing is to keep going.